Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to remove invisible filter on TikTok. First, download the video from which you want to remove invisible filter. Then download PicsArt and click on video option. Import the video and click on adjust option and do the following settings. Brightness 100, contrast 100, saturation go for 100, for hue go for 180, for highlights again go for 100, for shadows 100, for temperature go for -10. Click on effects and apply the glitch effect, and this will remove your invisible filter. So check your video and see that you follow the instruction properly. So that's how you can remove invisible filter from TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.